Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Gmail account, how to send an email to your teacher, and how to search through your Gmail inbox. First, we need to sign into Google. You're going to click on your address bar and type www.google.com. Tap enter. Sign into Google by clicking on the blue sign in box. Choose your account and type your password. Click Next. You'll know you're in your account when you see your avatar. You can get to your Gmail by clicking Gmail or by going to the Google Apps. This icon gets to your Google Apps. Click on it, and you can see all the apps like Classroom, Docs, Google Drive, and here's Gmail. If I click on Gmail, it will take me to my inbox. You can see I have 3 messages that I have not read, and then I have lots of other messages that I have received. The messages are listed in order from when I received them. So I have them listed by time for the ones I received today. And then as I go down, you can see the messages that I received on previous days. If I want to send a message to my teacher, I can click right here to compose a message. I'm going to click on this arrow to make it bigger. Let's say I want to send a message to Miss Woodman. I'm going to type Woodman and click on her name. I'm asking a question about a music activity. So I have a music question. And I'm going to type down here, "Hi, Miss Woodman," and I'm going to type my question for her. When I'm ready to send it, I can click right here to type to send it to her. Or if I decide I don't want to send it, I can click the trash can to delete it. Or if I'm not ready to send it yet, but I want to save it, I can click on this X and it will save it for me. When I'm ready to send it again, I can go right down here where it says drafts, click on that, and there's my email to Miss Woodman. It's not yet sent. I'm going to click on it. I can finish typing my email and send it, or I can decide I don't want to send it and I can delete it. To get back to my inbox, I'm going to click on Inbox. Next, if I want to search through my mail, let's say I have an email that I know Miss Erickson sent me about a Google Meet training, but I can't find it. I can tap up here in the search mailbox and I can type from Erickson. Tap enter and you will see all the emails that I've received from Miss Erickson. Right here at the top is my link to my Meet training. That's the email that I was looking for. If I don't know the name of the person who sent me the email, but I know that I received an email about a specific subject, I can type that in this search box instead. So let's say I'm looking for a message about Calwood. I can type Calwood in the box, tap enter, and I will see all the emails that are about Calwood or have Calwood in the subject, and I can look for the email that I wanted to find. Boys and girls, I hope that that helps you to log into your email, to send emails to your teacher and find any mail that you might be looking for. Once you're done, you can sign out by clicking over here on your avatar and click sign out. Good luck, boys and girls.